I went to the supermarket on May Day today, and let you take a look at the price level in China third-tier city. I just bought some daily necessities today. Everyday items we usually use. Chives $0.18. Next, noodles. Fresh noodles $0.43 per pack. Then carrots. These are locally grown carrots, not any special variety. $0.26 for 2 pieces. Frozen chicken breast. Frozen chicken breast $0.57 each. Local potatoes $0.54 for 2. Tomatoes. Local tomatoes of a better variety. $0.56 for 3. Onions. 2 onions. $0.23. These are the supermarket's own brand eggs. 30 pieces of supermarket brand eggs. Price is $2.92. Egg prices have gone up recently. It used to be $2.49. Supermarket own brand dish soap. Store brand dish soap, 2 kilograms. Current price is $1.89. This limescale remover for water kettles. Limescale cleaning agent. Its current price is $1.16. Next, laundry powder. I was persuaded to buy this today. The salesperson said you just soak clothes. No rubbing needed. Soak only. 1 kilogram. This brand is a mid-range brand locally, pretty well known around here, and a big manufacturer. The laundry powder costs. Laundry powder $1.89. Then slippers. Slippers here start at $1.45 for cheap ones, while pricier ones are $2.93 to $4.4. For EVA material slippers, they are roughly around $2.93. This pair of slippers is just an ordinary style. The price is $2.92. Total spending today is $13.33. That's the total for all these items. This is the price level in a China third-tier city in mainland China. What do you think of these prices?